Hello everyone, it's Nika again. Today I'm going to show you how I ruffle my chiffon to make the tutus. Yeah. So I have some already. It is pink, like a light pink, and it's already ruffled. I put it on here because what usually happens is if I leave it out, it tends to like get bunched up, and then I spend a lot of time because I'm super obsessive trying to get the wrinkles and stuff out. Now normally I would use these rolls, 2-inch rolls that I get from AFC Express. I'll make sure to put the link down at the bottom of the video, but I usually use this because it's easier to get through on the sewing machine. But this time I have cuts from yards of fabric that I cut up. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how I do my ruffle.
Can I help?
Oh, excuse me, I'm really tired.
Can I help, Mom?
No, baby, you can't help this time. I'll let you. Sorry, my son in the back is doing something with the jelly. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But anyway, I have my sewing machine here.
Yeah, and you can make another tutu for me on my 3rd birthday.
Okay, first I have this set. Depending on how tight you want your ruffles, or baby, don't play with that, it'll get dirty. Depending on how tight you want your ruffles or how loose you want them, I like them to be a little bit tighter but still kind of have that looseness to them. So I put my setting on 7.5, and here I have a computerized, so I don't know if you can really see it, but right now it's set at 0 and 2.5, so the length and the width needs to be changed. And I usually the first number here is the width, and I usually have that at 1. I just turn that up to 1, and then this I usually have at 5.
Mom.
So one day I will take the day and buy a ruffler, but if you know me, you know that I don't like paying full price for anything, and it's $44. So needless to say, right now I'm not gonna buy it because this works for me, so I really don't see the point of buying a ruffler. But hopefully I'm getting good and you can really see what I'm doing here. But I'm just gonna start sewing. I go forward a little bit and then I go back just to reinforce the stitch, and then I'm just going to keep going, sewing a little bit, and as you can see, it's starting to ruffle. So this is how you do it if you don't have a ruffler. Like I said before, I'm kind of obsessive, so I tend to like it to be really neat. I don't really wait until the end to straighten stuff out, but it's not really working this time. So what I did the last time, I just kind of held it like this, and it still went through fine, and it's still straight. This keeps it straight, and in the meantime I'm also getting the little wrinkles and folds out of the chiffon. I like working with chiffon just because it's really soft and it doesn't make my daughter itchy, but you can use tulle or organza, whatever works best for you. And as you can see, you now have ruffles. Simple, easy, doesn't take a lot of time, unless of course you're doing yards and yards of ruffles. So I'm just going to do a little bit more because I really need this still, so having it be part of my tutorial is great. And I'm a little stuck somewhere, so I'm just going to move that a little bit and see if that fixes it. Yep, we're fine. Back in business. Not quite. There we go. So sometimes when you're doing it this way, it gets snagged just because the tension is too tight. So you just have to adjust a little bit. But you should be able to do the same thing on any brand of sewing machine. I have a brother, it's the Project Runway limited edition. I am looking to upgrade eventually, but right now this is working for me because I'm only doing little projects. But there you go. We have Ruffles. I love Ruffles. I don't care how old I get, I probably would love Ruffles until the day I die. But that's it for today. See you soon.